Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Snow fungus is known as the common people's bird's nest. It can be combined with a variety of ingredients to make snow fungus soup. The Chinese use this soup for health and beauty. After being boiled for a long time, snow fungus soup takes on a gelatinous state, which can nourish yin and promote fluid production, moisten the lungs, and relieve coughs. Today's recipe is snow fungus soup with red dates. Let's get started. 1 snow fungus, 7 grams. Put into a bowl. Add 500 milliliters of water. Soak for an hour. Look at other ingredients. Wolfberry 5 grams, crystal sugar 12 grams, 3 red dates about 9 grams. After soaking the snow fungus, tear it into small pieces. Put them into the soup pot. Add red dates, wolfberry, crystal sugar, 1,200 milliliters of water. Cover. Cook over low heat for an hour or more. Until a gelatinous state appears. Delicious and nutritious snow fungus soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.